Let's go again. Come on.
Elevators go to their room and we need to stop. And then let's see 3PO. Period.
Right this way, my friend. All the way to your right. All the way to your right. All available space to your right. All available space to your right. Hello, my friends. Please fill all available space to your right to the wall. Fill all available space to your right.
Thank you.
El televisor, pues se apaga todo. Y es como si estuviera.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Now ready, please continue out to your left.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all
Row 5
times.
back right.
And do take
Row 4 middle
special
left.
care to supervise your children. Thank
Row
you.
3 middle right.
Estimados huéspedes,
Row 2 front left. And lastly, okay, back row to your right hand side, your seatbelt. Just make sure that seatbelt's locked in. Yellow strap, pull your right hand side. And go pull the yellow strap over here on your right. And go pull the yellow strap over here on your right hand side. Squeeze right. Okay, front right here, pull that yellow strap on your right hand side. Make sure your seatbelt's locked. Perfect. And go pull that yellow strap on your right. Amazing. All right, everyone, both arms up. Both arms all the way up. So you can go and both arms. And drop.
You are the passengers in a multi-cabin elevator about to ascend. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and had a nightmare. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please do come back and see us again. Thank you.
I like shaking. Oh my gosh.